Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to use nested tabs in Elementor WordPress website. web15.enablewebsitedesign.com. This one is my demo website. Now here we need to go and create a new page. Test 4, then click publish button, and after that click edit with Elementor. Now Elementor page builder is loading. After that, here we can create a new section, flexbox container, and then search for tab. Drag it here. Now if I expand it, here you can see I am not able to see the containers inside this tab. So let's see how we can fix out that. We need to go back in website dashboard, then Elementor settings. Here we need to find out nested tabs. Let me scroll down and activate that. This one, active, save changes. Now I need to go back, reload this page. And then again try to add tab element. So let me search for this one, tab. Now here you can see this one is completely changed. Let me scroll down, and here you can see the direction and for the responsive. So let me select this one, and after that here we can select the width. That looks fine. Tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. Here we can change the text, master. Okay, now we can change the text for each. Then for the third one, 3. Now we need to go here and change the images. I can close it. For this one, we can add a new container here. Also we can directly drag the image here, this one, drag it, then select the image. Let me upload it from my laptop. This one, for the second one, I need to add the second image. I can search for this one, image element, and then add the second image. For the third and last one, I need to add one more image. You can also add different other elements like videos as well as text and different other things. Okay, that's done. Now click publish. Here we can open it. So now if I select this one, then it shows second image. For the third, it displays third image. So that looks perfect. And if you want to increase our design a little bit, then simply you can go here and change the color. You can also change the color for the tabs. For example, here you can go and remove the background. Then you can keep the text light color. Here you can go and make it white. Okay, that looks perfect. In this way you can easily use nested tabs in Elementor WordPress website.